If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Click the bell notification so that whenever we post any new video, you will be the first to be notified. So without wasting your time, I want to prepare a creamy spaghetti, and I want to show you how and the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this delicious meal. It's a healthy meal, it's a delicious, and honestly, you will love this dish. It's good for adults, it's good for kids, it's also good for anyone in the process of weight loss. If you are on a weight loss journey, this is for you. Honestly, you will love it and you will like it. So without wasting your time, let me show you all I'll be using, and let's dive into the business of the day. And I also want to thank my old and returning subscribers. You all are mostly welcome back. And to my new subscribers, you are welcome to Renciakitchen. It's a channel that talks about healthy meal, repair healthy meal, and how to go on losing our weight and also eating good meal. So let's get into the business of today.
So these are all the things I'll be needing for this recipe. All my bell peppers, different colors. I have my onions, spring onions, carrots, my salt, my seasonings, my olive fruits. I'm using a soya milk. You can use any milk of your choice. My grated garlic and my spaghetti. So my water boiled, and I'm adding some salt into the water. After adding the salt, I will put my spaghetti inside and also add some vegetable oil so as to help the spaghetti not to stick together while cooking. So now let's make the sauce. I heated my pan and added some vegetable oil in it. So I allowed the oil to heat up for some seconds. I added my onions, and I will also add my grated garlic into the onions and fry everything together until it becomes tender. Now the onions and the garlic has fried to my taste. I added my bell peppers into the onions and garlic, and I will mix everything together and fry it for some seconds. So I will also add in my carrots into the bell peppers and give everything a good mix. So at this point, I added all my seasonings into the vegetable, and I give it a very good mix so that the condiments will enter into the vegetables very well. So now I added my soya milk, and I will give it a very good mix and cover it for some minutes. So my vegetables has been cooking for 3 minutes. I will now add in my spaghetti and stir everything together. At the same time, I will add in some flour into the mixture and combine everything together. So I also added my olive fruits and my parsley flakes and I stir everything together and cover it to cook for some seconds. So as you can see, the food is ready. I just spice it up with some spring onions and I stir everything together, and the dish is ready to be served. So guys, the food is ready to be served. Don't forget to thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell notification to always notify you when I post any new video. Bye guys.